I've got the card I referred to in the previous video. The first thing that annoys me about this. So this is a card that just everybody in Gillette, I think, got, offering to buy their house for cash. Choose your own closing day. No fees, no commissions. Woohoo, we'll give you cash. What they don't say is that they're going to wholesale buy your house. They're not going to pay you what a real estate agent could get you for your house. I read online that sometimes it's as low as 50% of what your house is actually worth. That's insane, people. Why would you call and do this? I feel like a lot of times this kind of flipping stuff takes advantage of people who are depressed. And that could be why this kind of thing is coming out at this time of year. People tend to be very depressed in December. It's not a happy time for a lot of people. And right now, with the way the economy is, I suspect there's a lot more depressed people. And depressed people tend to not see value not only in themselves, but they don't see value in the things they have. And they don't see value in the house. And maybe their house is messy. Maybe they've got hoarding problems. You know what? That can be dealt with. And that's not your house. That's just your stuff. And we can hire companies to come clean that out. It's not the end of the world. So, yeah, just don't give your house away. And don't think your house isn't worth anything. But let me give you a couple other reasons why I would not respond to this card. First reason is the initial deception. Right in the top corner is that they use a fake address. Now, I live in Buffalo, and even though my property is located in Gillette that they're emailing or mailing me about, they used a Buffalo return address. The street that they used does not even exist. And I verified it by going on the assessor site. And yes, of course, there is no street like this. Totally made up. That's a big clue. If you're going to have made up crap on your advertising, how can you be trusted? But anyway, flip it over to the back. We got a 307 number. These people are not located in the 307. They are not in Wyoming. They're located in Colorado. Normally, when we list a house, we're not going to list it at the bottom of the barrel price, which is what they're going to offer you for your house. And the other thing that really annoys me, which I already mentioned, is that they are in Colorado. We have Wyoming home flippers. You sell the house to some guys in Colorado, that money goes to Colorado and it doesn't come back to Wyoming. Every agent in Gillette knows of house flippers. So if you need to know of one, just give me a call and I'll give you the number one. And they'll come give you a very similar offer to what these guys would, but at least they're local if you really want to give your house away. Anyway, this is April Pulley with The Property Shop. And if you'd like to see more videos with just the honest truth of real estate in Wyoming, then please follow my page. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great day and a happy new year.